Did you know there are English greetings that can actually sound rude if you use them at the wrong time? It's true, and many beginners don't even realize it. But don't worry, today you'll learn exactly what to say, when to say it, and how to sound confident, polite, and friendly in English. This is day 2 of your English journey, and by the end of this lesson, you'll know how to start conversations the right way, anywhere with anyone. And stick around because at the end of this video, I'll share a bonus tip that will instantly make you sound more natural and respectful, even if you are a complete beginner. So let's begin. Let's start with the most common greetings in English. These are short and simple but powerful. Hello, hi, hey. Yes, even a one word greeting can start a full conversation. But sometimes we use more specific greetings depending on what time of day it is. Let's learn those next. In English, we greet people differently in the morning, afternoon, and evening. So, good morning, use this before 12 p.m. Good afternoon, say this from 12 p.m. to around 6 p.m. Good evening, use it after 6 p.m. Each of these sounds polite, calm, and natural. And here's a quick tip. If you're unsure about a time, just say hello. It's work anytime. After saying hello, English speakers usually add something polite to keep the conversation friendly. These are called follow-up polite phrases. Let's look at the most common ones. How are you? Nice to meet you. How's it going? How do you do? So, polite phrases show that you care about the other person, and that's always a good thing. Now, let's say someone greets you. Hi, how are you? Then, what will you say? Try these simple responses. I'm fine, thank you. And you? Or I'm good. What about you? Not bad. It's a bit more casual. Or I'm doing well. Let's try it together. I'll ask and you'll answer. Hi, how are you? And you will say, I'm fine, thank you. Well, then, you sound more polite, clear, and friendly. Practice that line a few times until it feels natural. Let's put everything together into a short dialogue. Here's an example between two people. Person A, good morning, how are you? Person B, good morning, I'm doing well, thank you, and you? Person A, I'm good, thanks. So here's a small trick to sound more natural and polite in English. So use the person's name in your greeting. It's a bonus tip. While using it the names, the greetings makes it more personal and respectful, especially in formal or professional settings. In example, you can say, "Good morning, Mr. Ali. How are you today?" Or, "Hi, Sarah. Nice to meet you." Amazing work. So, in the next video, we will learn about the 50 of the most common English words used in everyday life. So keep practicing what you have learned before and subscribe to the channel so you can get notified about my next video. Thank you so much.